In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows Update error by using the DISM. So let's get started. All we need to do is go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Then we have to click the option Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control. So once they elevated command prompt window with administrative rights, simply copy the DASM command which will be posted in the description box below. So Control C to copy and then Control V and hit enter. Now there is no specific time or duration for the process to be done, but this will take for like 50 minutes or 1 hour. So the process will be done then, but here's the thing, just patiently wait for that. Patiently wait for the process. There's nothing else that you can do. You just need to patiently wait for that until the process has been fully completed. And if you already completed the first command, then copy the second command, which is the SFC scan. So once the DSM scan has been completed, then copy the SFC scan. And after all the commands has been completed successfully, then we need to type exit in the command prompt window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.